Welcome to the Driving and Education channel. Here's a quick tutorial on how to parallel park. This type of parking is known to be somewhat complex and challenging for many, but here I will provide you guys with some examples and tips on how to master the skill. To be able to align your car with the other cars near and execute a good, safe parallel parking is a challenge for those beginning to learn how to drive. When you're going to practice this type of parking, I highly recommend you guys to use these orange cones and head out to an isolated area with no traffic or cars so you can safely practice as much as you want until you feel more confident and secure. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to do parallel parking using these cones, and I will also show you guys how to park among cars. When using the cones for practice, we will slowly advance our vehicle and get as close as we can to these cones, approximately 1 meter in distance. We will then align the back of the vehicle with the cones and slowly start to reverse while looking back. When you're trying to park among actual vehicles, what you will be using is the lateral mirrors. In this case, my left mirror. You will align them with the other car's mirror. Now going back to the other image of the cones, once you are ready, you will then rotate the steering wheel to the right and change gears to reverse. Once you're at this point, you will slowly start releasing your brake, so the car will begin reversing slowly. Always remember to keep aware and alert, looking through all mirrors at all times. I will remind you guys to use the reversing position, which is with your right arm placed over and behind the passenger seat. This position is really important to keep in mind when reversing, especially when taking the driver's examination. Okay, so now, how do I know when to stop the car? How far do I go? The key is to look through the passenger side window and slowly keep reversing until you find yourself in this position. The cone should be aligned like shown on the screen, with the mirror slightly in front and near the bumper. Once here, you will stop and then once again turn your steering wheel, but this time to center the wheels of the car. This will allow the car to reverse back straight. You will continue slowly backing up until the cone is aligned with the front hood of the car. Once there, you will stop and turn the steering wheel to the other side, the left side. Then you will continue slowly reversing while checking your surroundings. Without any movement, you will allow the car to slowly position itself forward until it's properly parked and you're within the lines.
Real quick, I made the Driving TV Ultimate Guide so you don't waste hours reading boring stuff that you don't even need. This is straight to the point, exactly what they'll test you on. You'll know what to expect on the test day, what maneuvers they want, the requirements, everything. I even packed in 100 real DMV questions and answers. If you want to pass on the first try, grab it now, links in the description.
You will change gears to D drive and turn the wheels straight by moving your steering wheel. Now, how do I know if my wheels are straight? Well, since you are driving, you will slowly let go of the brakes and your vehicle will move forward a bit, and you will notice if your vehicle is moving curved or straight. Make sure you also have enough space to be able to move and leave later. Alright, so many of you probably want to know, how do you park between two vehicles? I highly recommend you guys that when you're going to try this parking among other vehicles and private properties, that you guys have enough practice and confidence. You don't want to accidentally hit another car and create a problem. Right, so remember we discussed, slowly look at your surroundings and be alert at all times. Now, when you find a spot to park, you want to make sure you pull up slowly next to the vehicle and switch gears to R reverse. And then, as you can see here, I'm going to make sure that my mirror and the vehicle's mirror are aligned, as I had previously showed you guys. I am then going to turn my steering wheel to the right and then let go of the brakes slowly. I'm going to let the car slowly move on reverse until I can view from the passenger's window the other vehicle's license plate. Now, I'm not going to stop until I see the license plate in the center of my window. Then I'm going to stop and quickly turn my steering wheel completely to the left this time. Afterwards, you will then slowly reverse by letting go of the brakes carefully. Once you're in place, you make sure that your vehicle is straight and aligned. Just take a glance at the vehicle in front and that should help. If it's not, just stop, look around, reverse a bit, and then try again. Go forward until you feel you are well parked. Well guys, I hope you liked this tutorial video on parallel parking and found it quite helpful. I recommend you guys that if you need more assistance or more information, you subscribe to this channel, because here you find similar videos as well as practice exams and preparation videos in order to help you be more prepared for the theoretical and practical examination. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments below.